Hey everyone, I'm really excited to share amazing news with you. Here at RUNSTEM we've been waiting for our first products, to arrive. And now we're introducing our first STEM product for kids to learn electric circuits. So this is the first STEM product from RUNSTEM and our partner Robotics company in Europe. So we built these robotics cards for kids to learn, electric circuits. They have all elements inside each card, and it has a description. So this is how kids can learn easily, about different elements like LEDs, resistors, and batteries, and how all they work in the system. And when the project is complete, the card will look like this. It will have the electronic card heart inside with all the circuits, and then when you actually press here, it will start blinking, and it will change the way it blinks. Yeah, so it's really cool postcard, and you can assemble this postcard and you can send it to your friends, to your grandparents, to anyone you love, and to anyone you would like to send a piece of of your love. And this is very different to all postcards, because this postcard has a heart. It's electronic heart, but still it's a heart. And we believe that this is something your kids would like to build, and even adults could learn a lot and build this postcard. Thank you for watching this video. Check our postcards and help us share this exciting news. Thank you.